The GarveeHome industrial dining table embodies contemporary rustic elegance with exceptional durability, seamlessly blending industrial metal framework with warm wooden surfaces to create an inviting dining atmosphere perfect for families accommodating 6 to 8 people comfortably. Measuring 70.87 inches in length, 35.43 inches in width, and 30 inches in height, this spacious dining table provides ample seating and generous surface area for meals, homework, crafts, and casual gatherings without overwhelming most residential dining spaces. The robust construction features engineered wood tabletop measuring a substantial 3.1 inches at its thickest point, creating a dust-proof surface protected by protective coatings, while the striking rustic brown finish radiates warmth and natural appeal that complements farmhouse, industrial, and contemporary decor styles. The ultra-thick 2-inch x 2-inch metal legs incorporate a durable T-shaped steel bar structure that delivers exceptional support and stability, with 3 heavy-duty metal load bars distributing weight evenly across the robust base framework. We share by links in description box. The engineered wood construction ensures durability comparable to solid wood while providing cost-effective affordability, making this table accessible to families seeking quality furniture without premium pricing. The impressive 300-pound maximum weight capacity accommodates multiple adults and typical dining table loads without any structural concerns or safety issues. Adjustable non-slip foot pads protect flooring from scratches, scuffs, and damage while enabling precise leveling on uneven surfaces, ensuring stable, wobble-free operation regardless of floor conditions. The convenient 30-inch height provides comfortable legroom and spacious seating positions, accommodating standard dining chairs and bench seating arrangements without awkward distances or discomfort. Recommended for straightforward assembly with clear, detailed instructions and pre-labeled hardware. Most two-person teams complete setup efficiently using included tools without difficulty. The versatile design transitions seamlessly between formal dining applications, casual family meals, home workstations, and craft surfaces, making it an invaluable addition to kitchens, dining rooms, and family spaces. With its combination of industrial aesthetics, surprising durability, exceptional stability, and affordable pricing, this dining table delivers lasting value for families seeking reliable furniture that withstands years of daily use and active entertaining.